Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable WPS on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the admin page of our router. To do that, we're going to connect to our router, and after that type in the IP address, and by default that will be 192.168.0.1. so that's the IP address. So now that we're on the website, you might be logged out, so let me show you what to do. You're gonna enter the password and the username, and those are both admin and admin, both lowercase. This is what it should look like. Now let's log in. Then we're gonna go to the home tab, go to the Wi-Fi settings, and then we're gonna go to the WPS settings tab, and here we have WPS switch. So select if you want that enabled or disabled, and once you've done that, just press apply and your settings will be saved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.